Hello officers, today in this short video you will get to know about the different services in which you can work for our country after clearing UPSC Civil Service Examination. So the services are All India Services, Indian Administrative Service in short IAS, Indian Police Service in short IPS, Indian Foreign Service in short IFS, Indian Audit and Account Service in short IANIS, Indian Civil Account Service in short ICAS, Indian Corporate Law Service in short ICLS, Indian Defence Account Service in short IDAS, Indian Defence Status Service in short IDES, Indian Information Service in short IIS, Indian Telecommunication Service in short ITS, Indian Ordnance Factories Service in short IOFS, Indian Postal Service in short IPOS, Indian P&T Accounts and Finance Service in short IP&TAFS Service, Indian Railway Account Service in short IRAS, Indian Railway Personnel Service in short IRPS, Indian Railway Protection Force Service in short IRPFS, Indian Railway Traffic Service in short IRTS, Indian Revenue Service in short IRS IT, Indian Revenue Service in short IRS and CNCE, Indian Trade Service in short ITRS. Now let's talk about some Group B services. Armed Forces Headquarters Civil Service in short AFACS, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Island Civil Service in short DANICS, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Island Police Service in short DANIPS, Pondicherry Civil Service in short PCS, Pondicherry Police Service in short PPS. These are the services in which you can work for our country after clearing the UPSC Civil Service Examination. So work hard to become an IAS officer and to work in such type of precious services of Indian Civil Service.